Hello everyone, today we will talk about the 1 peso Philippine coins. This is about non-magnetic and magnetic coins. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay, guys, later I will show you the non-magnetic and magnetic coins. So let's continue. The 2003 Philippine 1 peso coin is part of the BSP coin series 1995 to 2017, generally made of nickel-plated steel magnetic. Those earlier issues were copper-nickel, while common in circulation uncirculated 2003 coins may have small collector's value ranging from a few cents to just over $1. Now let's talk about the coin details. The 2003 year represent a transition with a copper-nickel non-magnetic and nickel-plated steel magnetic version potentially existing. Design features the enlarged denomination of the obverse and the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas seal on the reverse. Let's talk about the value. General face value Philippine for circulated coins, uncirculated or rare non-magnetic error version may attract higher prices for collectors. By the way, guys, there are some 1996 and 1997 1 peso coin have been noted as rare non-magnetic. So the magnetic coins is made of nickel-plated steel and the non-magnetic coin is made of copper-nickel. So now, let's talk about the non-magnetic and magnetic. I will show you the non-magnetic and the magnetic. Okay, so this guy. I have here 3 coins of non-magnetic. I have here a magnet. This is magnet. This is the non-magnetic coins year 2003. Okay, year 2003 non-magnetic. Okay, this one non-magnetic. I will show you. This is a 2003 non-magnetic, 2003 non-magnetic, and 2003 non-magnetic. I'll repeat again. This is non-magnetic coins. Non-magnetic coins. Non-magnetic coins. Now I will show you the magnetic coins. This is the magnetic coins year 2003. Okay, you see that the coins. This is 2003. Okay, year 2003. Yeah, 2003 1 peso coin, and also this one is 2003 magnetic 1 peso coin. This magnetic 1 peso coin is a common, meaning no value. So let's remove this one because that is a common coin. Now let's go back to the non-magnetic coins. This one. This is the non-magnetic. Okay, you see that the coin is not a non-magnetic. If you have a coin like this one, error coin, non-magnetic year 2003, the price is higher, and of course this is a one of the most collectible coin. Actually, there are some collectors out there looking for this coin. I have 3 coins here. Okay, 3 coins of non-magnetic. Okay, so anyway, guys, I will not mention the value of this coin because the collector will give you the exact amount or value of this coin. Okay, but anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.